Hi everybody, welcome back to TJ's Tiny Homestead. My name's Terry and today I'm going to show you how I make my meatloaf. We're going to have meatloaf for supper, so let's get with it. I'm going to put my apron on. I love this apron. My sister made it for me. It's all frilly and got ruffles. To get this on, I'll show you how we do this. Okay, I'm feeding 8 people. So I've got 2 pounds of hamburger. Get that and get these gloves on real quick. Alright. Okay. Got 2 pounds of hamburger. I'm going to put 2 eggs in it. The reason I wear gloves is because hamburger, when you squash it together, kind of messy. Okay. So we got those. And now I got 1 cup of sloppy Joe mix. Doesn't matter what brand. Just put it in there. Okay. Squish that down a little bit. Whoops. Okay, and then this is a cornbread stuffing mix. My husband wanted cornbread stuffing mix in it this time. So I'm going to put that in there. That's got your breading in it. And the spices don't hurt the flavor at all. So put that in there. Okay. And then we're going to add some onions. Let me mix this up a little bit. Alright. Add some onions. Onions. More onions. Onions. And then we're going to add some bell peppers. Cut up. I've got some that we did. This has been in the freezer for a while. I need to use it up. So we're going to use it instead of the ones we did. Alright. We're going to put that in there. It's all chopped up. That gives it a little more Step out of the way. You mess up as you go. Okay. Now, I'm going to mix all this up. That's where the gloves come in. That way you don't give it all over your hands. Okay, like I said, this will feed 8 people, and there'll be some left over for my daughter to take to work. She works 3rd shift, but today she's going to go in at 3, work overtime. So she probably won't get to do it today, but tomorrow when she goes back to her regular shift, she works the overnight shift, so she'll have this to take with her. Make sure we get that nice and mixed up. Like I said, this is easy to do this way, and they really enjoy it. And it doesn't come out dry. There's nothing worse than dry meatloaf. What I'll do is I'll cook this at 300 degrees. So let's go ahead and start the oven. All right. Told me I didn't pick which side. I got double oven, so it was telling me to pick which one I want to use. This I'm going to use the top oven. We use the bottom oven for bread and pizza and stuff like that. Just makes it brown more even on the bottom. All right. See bits of the onions and the peppers getting mixed in here. Breadcrumbs. All right. There we go. All right. I'll get the pan over here. All right. Got a glass pan here, and I need to spray it. That way, when it cooks, it's easier to clean. All right. I'm going to spray this down real good. So that's ready. Mix this up some more, and then we'll put it in the baking plate. All right. Oh yeah, nice and pretty. Looks like it's all mixed up. I checked it to make sure that there's meat that all the meat got mixed in. You can pretty well tell if it didn't because he'll show up. All right. I do believe we got it. All right, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it in this baking dish. We'll spread it out and pat it down. There we go. I don't know if you can see the onions and the peppers and stuff that's in it, but that gives it a good flavoring. They all like it, so none of them never had to waste any of it, throw it out or anything. And that's, you don't have to throw anything out or sit in the refrigerator for a few days. You know that they liked it. And what I'll do when this is almost done is they like ketchup on top of theirs. So I'll take it out and I'll cover it with ketchup and then cook it for about another 10 minutes. And it'll be ready to go. All right, there we go. All righty. All right, here it is, ready to go in the oven. I'm going to put it in the oven at 350 degrees, and it'll probably cook for about maybe an hour and 15 minutes. So I'll be back when I'm ready to put the ketchup on it. So I'll see you then. Hi everybody, welcome back. Our meatloaf's just about done, so I'm going to pull it out of the oven, and we're going to put our ketchup on it, and then pop it back in for the end of it. I'll be right back. Here's what it looks like right now. Brown on top, and I did check it, and it's got no peak in the middle. Alright, we got our ketchup, because like I said, they all like their ketchup on it. So we're going to spread that around. Here it's sizzling. Alright, use a spoon. So I'll pop this back in the oven, let it finish cooking, and then I'll take it out and we'll slice it up and it'll be ready to go. Now I also have, I got my homemade biscuits out, falling out for supper, and I got some dehydrated potatoes because we're going to make soaking in water because we're going to make cheesy potatoes tonight to go with it. And we'll have a side of green beans, and that'll be our supper tonight. And they'll be very well fed. So I'll be back in a bit when that's all done. Have a great day right now. Hi everybody, we're back. My meatloaf is all done, so I'm going to go ahead and slice it up. That way it'll be ready to go for supper tonight. It's not dry, it's not burnt. Cut that all up there. Alrighty. And there you have it. Quick and easy meatloaf. Give it a try. Like I said, it's not dry, and everybody likes it. And that's what counts, whether they like it, because if they don't like it, they won't eat it, and you'll have to throw it out. So, please hit the like and subscribe button down below, and leave me a comment and tell me what you think. And I'll see you next time on TJ's Tiny Homestead.